my friends, and welcome back to Unreal English. I'm Alex, and I'm really happy that you're here with me again. In this podcast, English is simple, clear, and fun. I will speak slowly, I will repeat ideas, and I will always give you a chance to practice. Your job is to listen, shadow, and repeat. Step by step, your English will grow stronger. Today's episode is all about your daily routine. We will use 30 natural English sentences that you can practice every day. These are sentences native speakers use all the time. But before we begin, let me explain why this lesson is important. When you know how to talk about your daily routine, you can start real conversations. At work, at school, with friends, even online, you can connect with people in a natural way. And shadowing these sentences will train your brain, your ear, and your mouth to work together. So let's get started. Listen first, then shadow me. Copy my rhythm, my tone, and my speed. Don't think too much, don't translate, just repeat.
Let's begin with the morning routine. This is useful because every one of us has a morning. You can describe your own day and also ask others about theirs. Lovely. Let's start. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Now you repeat. The alarm clock rings loudly on my bedside table. Repeat. I stretch my arms and yawn before getting out of bed. Repeat. First, I drink a glass of cold water. Repeat. I brush my teeth for exactly 2 minutes. Repeat. I wash my face with warm water and soap. Repeat. I look at myself in the bathroom mirror. Repeat. I comb my hair and make it look neat. Repeat. I put on my comfortable morning clothes. Repeat. I make my bed before leaving the bedroom. Good job! These are simple but powerful sentences. You can use them to describe your day or ask others about theirs. What time do you usually wake up? Write your answer in the comments. That's extra practice for you. Now let's move to the kitchen routine. This is important because food is always a topic people like to talk about. Breakfast, coffee, tea, these are easy ways to start a conversation. Here we go. I go to the kitchen and turn on the coffee machine. Now you repeat. I make scrambled eggs and toast for breakfast. Repeat. I eat breakfast while reading the news on my phone. Repeat. I drink orange juice and hot coffee. Repeat. After breakfast, I wash the dishes in the sink. Repeat. I choose my clothes for work carefully. Repeat. I put on my favorite blue shirt and black pants. Repeat. I check the weather forecast on my phone. Repeat. I pack my lunch in a small container. Repeat. I grab my keys, wallet, and phone before leaving. Repeat. Tell me, what do you usually have for breakfast? Write your answer in the comments.
And remember, to get better results, you need daily practice. Subscribe and like this video so YouTube shows you more lessons like this. That way, English practice will always be part of your day. Next, let's practice going to work. These sentences are very useful because everyone talks about work or school. They help you build small talk and sound natural. Let's start. I leave my house at 8:30 sharp. Now you repeat. I walk to the bus stop near my building. Repeat. I wait for the number 12 bus to arrive. Repeat.
On the bus, I listen to English podcasts. Repeat. I arrive at my office at 9:15. Repeat. I greet my colleagues with a friendly smile. Repeat. I check my emails and make a to-do list. Repeat. I attend 3 important meetings today. Repeat. During lunch break, I eat in the company cafeteria. Repeat. I work on my computer until 5 o'clock. Repeat. Well done. These are great practice sentences. You can use them to describe your day or ask questions about someone else's day. Do you usually take the bus or do you drive to work? Write in the comments and practice your English.
Now let's look at social interactions. Small talk is not only about your routine, it's also about how you connect with people. These phrases will make you sound friendly and confident. Let's practice. Busy day. Now you repeat. How's your project going? Repeat. Did you catch the meeting this morning? Repeat. I could use another coffee. Repeat. Almost the weekend, huh? Repeat. Long day today. Repeat. The office is quiet today. Repeat. Got any plans after work? Repeat. That was a long meeting. Repeat. Nice to see you in person. Repeat. Perfect. These sentences are very natural in workplaces. They make you sound polite, confident, and easy to talk to. If this lesson is helping you, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you never miss a new episode and you stay consistent in your practice.
Now let's move to public places. Cafes, shops, buses, waiting rooms. These are places where small talk happens naturally. Is this seat taken? Now you repeat. The line is moving slowly, huh? Repeat. Busy place today. Repeat. I come here a lot. Repeat. Great coffee here. Repeat. Do you know what time it closes? Repeat. Long wait today. Repeat. It's my first time here. Repeat. Nice place, isn't it? Repeat. Do you come here often? Repeat. Good job! These are short and simple, but they can start conversations anywhere. Tell me in the comments, where do you usually go for coffee or tea?
Next, let's practice neighbors and community. It's always nice to be polite and friendly with people who live near you. How is everything with you? Now you repeat. Your garden looks great. Repeat. Lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Repeat. Did you just move in? Repeat. Let me know if you ever need anything. Repeat. I think we have the same delivery driver. Repeat. Do you know when the bins go out? Repeat. Your cat is so cute. Repeat. Feels like the whole street is quiet today. Repeat. Good to see you again. Repeat. And now, let's practice travel and transport. These sentences will help you start a chat while traveling by bus, train, or plane. Is this seat free? Now you repeat. Do you know when we arrive? Repeat. Is this the right platform for the train to London? Repeat. Long journey ahead. Repeat. Do you travel often? Repeat. I always forget something when I travel. Repeat. Have you flown with this airline before? Repeat. I hope there are no delays. Repeat. Is this your stop too? Repeat. Safe travels. Repeat.
Finally, let's talk about the weekend. This is one of the easiest and most popular small talk topics. Got any plans for the weekend? Now you repeat. How was your weekend? Repeat. Did you do anything fun? Repeat. I just relaxed at home. Repeat. It went by so fast. Repeat. I didn't do much really. Repeat. I caught up on sleep. Repeat. Excellent work. You have now practiced 30+ sentences that you can use in real life. Tell me in the comments, what did you do last weekend? And if this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. That's how you make sure you never miss the next practice, and it helps more learners find us. Thank you for learning with me today. This was Unreal English, and I'm Alex. Keep shadowing, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.